Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi ASX, stock reference number 4786. This shape runs from the 9th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has a 4N14 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 4N14 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. And a right power door mirror. Indicator type. The driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.